Sometimes in life, you really do just have to put your bathrobe on, pour yourself a nice coffee, put your sunglasses on unnecessarily and sit in the bath. I mean, why not? Sometimes you just gotta do it.
Welcome to South Korea. Today we're going to check out the Signiel Hotel at the top of the world's 6th tallest building. This is my room on the 96th floor.
Yeah, you can't even get it all in one shot. This is the Lotte World Tower, but we're staying at the very tip in the Signiel Hotel. You know it's going to be nice when there's a Rolls Royce parked outside the front. I believe that you can use that for an airport transfer. I hate to ask how much additional that would be. Anyway, let's go straight inside and I'll give you a tour of what you get when you stay here. Let's go and check this out. Here we are in the lobby. The view already from the lobby is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, I think the good thing is that because it's the lobby literally sort of wraps around the whole building, you can get a really interesting perspective of Seoul. So the main part of the city is just over there. This is a theme park. Haven't yet gone, and just to see buildings that would usually be really tall look so tiny, they're dwarfed by this crazy building. Right, so the room key. Oh wow. Let's just firstly check out the state. How nice is that? But yeah, what we've all come for really is the view. I'll get the lights off in a sec, but oh my goodness. So guys, this is the 96th floor of the 6th tallest building in the world. Okay, the real party piece of this though is to be able to sit in the bath and look out at this view. Look at this. So, bathroom is just like a complete overkill of marble, but I love it. Don't know what the amenities are, let's have a look. Made in Italy. Unlikely something I'll ever be able to afford normally. So we'll be using that. Oh yes, to apply my makeup. Good. Little view there, lovely. But I didn't even notice there was a shower in there. Oh, it's a toilet. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, of course, the toilet just that. What in the name? I mean, when have you opened a door of a bathroom and the toilet seats come up and then cleaned itself? Okay. This is the controls for this. Now, when have you ever seen anything quite as mad? Like, I've seen some crazy ones like in Japan and stuff, but I don't think I've seen something with this many options before. I mean, not quite sure about that. I've seen it all, well, until we go in here. This is quite frankly ridiculous. The amount of Instagram photos I'm going to attempt to get here. Honestly guys, I've stayed in some incredible places and I've stayed in the world's tallest building, but the issue with that is that you didn't actually stay at the top. You stayed, as you would have seen on the video, on I think about the 9th or 10th floor. I feel like this should be the new trendy YouTube office, to be honest with you. Don't think I'll be able to afford the rent. Well, you guys are just going to have to watch a ton more of the videos and you're going to have to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I've just been presented with my welcome drink, which is like a Korean traditional tea. And some cookies as well, check that out. Look at them. I'm just about to go to sleep. This bed, by the way, is so ridiculously comfy. But what I was going to show you was the remote control that closes the curtains. I would love to have this at home. These curtains. I mean, I know it is totally lazy and totally unnecessary, but you just feel like a rock star being able to close these curtains like this. I am so sad. Good morning guys. In the lift, many buttons, 101 down to 79. we're going to 81 for breakfast.
Breakfast was phenomenal. Whilst a little busy, there was a huge selection of high quality delicious food, and of course I had to blag a window seat. You were also able to order a la carte food, and I went for the Eggs Benedict. This was fantastic. The staff were very attentive throughout the meal and kept providing me with additional coffee and water. Now let's check out yet another one of the Signiel's party pieces. Starting in one of the world's highest changing rooms, you can tell this is a slightly special experience. The crowning jewel, of course, is the pool. The pool itself was all well and good, but it's the fact that you're swimming 90 floors up.
I'd give a quick conclusion on my stay here because it's just been so unbelievable. Obviously you've seen it in the day, but just, I mean, clearly it's not quite in the same state that it was when I arrived. But I just can't get over this, like literally the views that you get. Yeah, cool. It's just unbelievable. The bath and this toilet still is just so funny. It keeps cleaning itself intermittently. I'm not complaining. Bath, living the dream. Yeah, probably about more baths than I've ever had in my life here, but you've got to with a view like that. So guys, my experience of this hotel has, I think, surpassed pretty much any expectation that I had coming into this. I read the reviews and they were like 5 out of 5 on TripAdvisor. They were absolutely amazing, but I have to say, the experience has been unbelievable. The staff have been amazing. The room's been very comfortable. There's been loads of additional services and amenities. The spa's been wonderful, although it was closed today once a month, and it just has to be the last day that I'm here. Aside from that, I still used it yesterday, as you saw, and I just think overall it's just such a surreal experience to be so high up above everyone else. It's just crazy. The 96th floor, I don't think I get used to it. You'd think you would get used to it after I've been here 3 days now, but no, still just as amazing each time that I see this view. I can't quite give it the title of the most ridiculous hotel in the world, but it is one of the most ridiculous for sure. I hope you've enjoyed this review, guys. Do let me know what you think in the comments below and smash that subscribe button if you enjoyed it and you want to see more videos like this on the channel. I'll catch you guys again very soon.